Hi everyone, welcome to my Manu world. But please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you'll never miss my videos. So let's get started. So today we are going to make a bunny painting. Okay, so we need this bunny template. Okay, just draw it and cut it. So let's get this painting started. So first you need to keep your rabbit in a place. Okay, so take a pencil like this, it should be, and here it should be like this. Okay, let's dip this inside. Okay, then let's do it here like this, dots. Okay, so now I'm done. Okay, the red one. Next color, I'm gonna take yellow. I'm gonna do it here like this, or dots. So this is my last one dot. Okay, so the next color is done. It's light yellow. Okay, so I'm gonna color it here. Hold your rabbit when you're doing this. Okay, so the next color, I'm gonna take green, then make some dots. So the next color, I'm gonna take blue. Okay, really fun. Okay, so do this at your home. Okay, and it will really be beautiful at your walls the mostly. Okay, so now I am done doing the blue one. White and dark blue, so it become light blue. Okay, so let's do here spots. Okay, so I'm gonna done this. Okay, don't have much colors, mix it so you'll get more colors. Okay, you can choose whatever colors you like. The next color, pink. Okay, so the picture is done, so let's wait it for it to dry. Okay, so now it's dried. Don't remove the rabbit so you can't get the shape. Okay, a bamboo stick. Okay, then keep it light green, then do all the outlines. But it came really good. I am done. Okay, so it's dried. Okay, so let's remove the template and see. Wow, it turned out really great. So rabbit eyes will be, so let's do eyes. Okay, and keep a dot. Okay, so it's done and I like the picture. Okay, so it's so adorable. I love the rabbit one. So if you like this video, please share, subscribe to my Manu world, my other videos, and this video too. And this video should get 500 thumbs ups. Okay, goodbye.